and it is raining. And I don't know if my rain jacket is very good. Ooh, okay, running through. So I have the feeling that my whole shirt is wet. I'm cold. I don't know how many miles it is to the next campsite, but the first campsite was full. So I decided to go further to the next one, and I hope I can find a space there. Yeah, my shoes are wet. I think my t-shirt is wet. My backpack, everything, just everything. Yeah. Wet, everything is wet. My socks, my shoes, my rain jacket is not really working, and I think I have to do 17 miles. So I did 3. I hope that I'm at the top. It feels like this. The first top, I think there are another 2 mountains, but this was the highest. And again, I'm out of food. I have only a salmon package over, and that I won't eat it at, I think, if I did 10 miles, so it's a half hour today. So I'm pretty hungry. I eat a lot of blueberries, but most of the time the blueberries are very, very small. So you can't really eat enough. Only today. I hope the sun is coming out. Maybe it's a half of the day. It is very cold and just not nice hiking weather. But yeah, step by step. And tonight I really, really want a hot shower. And then I want to eat something nice in a restaurant. Okay, let's see you later. So I met 2 hikers and they gave me Cliff Bars. Yay! It's so nice. And the sun is a little bit coming out, but still I'm so wet. Everything is wet. Ugh. toilet? I really want to know if there's really a toilet or just a place to poop. But it's so rainy, so I don't want to check it out. Toilet. It's still raining. It's raining now for the whole day. But only 2 climbs, then I have it. 8 miles.
So I think I have 2 more mountains to get over. You go up them, you go down them. So, and I'm going down about to hit it, and it's going to be the hardest mountain of the day. And it's still not too bad. I don't know, like 1.5 miles, 2 miles uphill. It's pretty huge incline though. Anything I say under 400 feet per mile, I like it. Normally like that 200 to 300 is the good thing.
8 miles of rain. But for now, everything is perfect. I'm a little bit cold, but not too much. And I'm still hiking, so okay. Oh, again, a toilet. Don't know if this is the same than in Germany, because most of the time the toilets are called restrooms and not toilet. You never know. What I eat today.
Yeah, that's not much food at all.
So I had maybe 600 calories today, and I did hiking 20 miles. Oh, really?
Oh wow, yeah, you have to be starving.
Yeah.
Well, Little Bee found me, and she has no food. No. So 3 miles to the trailhead, and we need to feed Little Bee. It's very important. It's my job.
Okay, the last mountain for today. Hey, oh, what is it? Warning, what is blasting?
Like dynamite? You think that they're blowing up some rocks, making the ski thing?
Oh,
Does it say?
that's not good. 7 days a week?
It looks like Little Bee is where the world is. It looks like Little Bee is where the world is behind her. H.G. Wells wrote that. I think I mentioned that the other day though, but it's a good book.
And it's not raining. Yay! You're looking very sweet.
Oh, my backpack feels so heavy. I think there's like 10 pounds of water in there.
Yeah, you don't have a plastic bag for your sleeping bag.
So, water.
Yay, and it's getting down. Last 2 miles for today. I'm hungry and I'm tired. So I changed my clothes, I think 5 miles ago, because it stopped with raining. So I wear now my sleeping clothes. Oh. And it feels very good. Only my socks are wet at the moment. Yeah. So, but my lips are a little bit blue. I eat a lot of blueberries. So what is this? Can you eat this too?
Oh, tasted really bitter.
You eat it?
No, there was a bigger red one. These are different. Never mind, this is a different type of plant. I wouldn't eat this. They're tiny. Safe side, assume it's poisonous. But if you want me to try it first,
No.
that's a man's job.
More difficult. Crest Trail. Oh no. So they are coming from this side. Yay! We made it!
Yay!
I can't see the car, but I hope we are there. Don't think about your feet or everything what is hurting. Just think about a hot shower and food. Always think positive.
They have a hostel or something for the hikers, $45, and like $8 for laundry though. And the trail takes you to the lodge.
PCT hiker. But it looks nice. Come stay to the Mountaineer Stevens Lodge. Oh wow, cool. But we have to go the other way?
Yeah, this way.
Okay, Corey want to stay in a tent.
That's right.
What's about the nice lodge? Oh.
Doesn't look that nice. Ghost there.
Okay, this is a parking space. We made it. And here's a car he bought. Perfect. No, and I don't have to hike it. Sit down.